So Jason from Formtech, hello. He has popped in to use the machine on some carbon fibre because we have one sitting here. What are you making?
What I'm making is a drone top.
So is this a racing drone or is this a...
Racing drone, yeah. 10-inch racing drone. Top's so that size, this is size. So I just need the top bottom sheet.
That's what you're doing with these two bits, so you've...
5 mil.
So cool.
Square it up and good to go.
First part is off. It's all the protective film has been a little bit flaky, but the cuts themselves actually look really nice. So, loading up part 2 now. We're going to increase the feed a little bit. I think it was at 1 meter a minute, but there was a lot of lines that was on, so we'll chuck it up on the computer and just repost it. We've just upped the feed rate to 3.5 meters a minute on the roughing and then 1.5 on the finishing. Just posted it and we're just going to give it a go and see how much damage we can cause. There you go. Film's off on the first one. Really nice. Film's on that side. I'm looking forward to seeing how we do it. Nice.